All right, so here's a little lesson on some basic blues kind of feel. So our basic 12 bar blues, we got four, it's a 1-4-5 progression. So for example, if we're in the key of, let's say the key of G, right? So our chords in the key of G are G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, and then F sharp diminished, which is, you kind of X that out because who wants to play a diminished chord? No, I'm just kidding. But, and then you're back to G. And so what we want to do is we want to play the first degree, the fourth degree, and the fifth degree. So those are major chords. So we would play a G, C, D, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to keep a feel of a triplet. So we've got, so we're in 6/8. So what that means is we have two triplets of eighth notes, which equal 6/8 notes, and the bottom line is 8, so that's indicating that our eighth note is our beat. So what we do here, what I like to do is kind of just do it single note wise to start out with. So we're going to do kind of like a feeling. If we go to the third fret here, so those are the first 4 bars, right? And then we go to C. So to find our C, we just go right down to the third fret, fifth string. G to C, that's a fourth, which is really cool. And then we go 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we go back to G for 2 bars. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then now we go to our 5 chord. So if you think of a power chord, we go to our 5 chord. So that would be D here. So we just slide up a whole step or use our third finger. So we're going to play 1 bar of that, and then we're going to go to C, 1 bar of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is really cool is, so you'd play 1 bar D, 1 bar C, and then 1 bar of G, and then do a chromatic walk up and hit this wonderful D7 chord. You can make this sharp 9 to make it Hendrixy. So to build a dominant 7 shell voicing, we want to take our middle finger, place it on the 5th string, 5th fret, pointer finger, 4th string, 4th fret, then 3rd string on the 5th fret. So the way I look at it is kind of like a triangle. You know, nice, wonderful triangle in there. And then if you want to make it spicy, spicy, I like that, you can add what's called sharp 9. But if you don't know that theoretically, that's totally fine. But what we would do is we'd keep this shape, and then we would just slide your pinky over to the 6th fret. So what's really cool is I'll just go through the basic blues really quick using single notes, and then I'll use chords. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. else you can just play 2 bars of G. You can go at the end. Or else if you want to, you can go 1 bar G, 1 bar D at the end. So you can go So then you got that. So if you were to do you can do it that way. So then we also have our minor blues. So we can take make the minor chords, and we'd play G minor, C minor, D minor. So the way we'd play these, I'm just using these. I had to check there. Slightly off. But, so the way we would play G minor is we would just bar strings 3, 2, 1, and then on the 3rd fret, and then we take our 3rd finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. And then to build a C minor triad, I like to call it the ladder shape. We would take our 3rd fret, 4th fret, and 5th fret, and just go 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string. And then we just slide that up a whole step, which would make that now D minor. So if we take that same concept and make it to minor chords, G minor, C minor, D minor, we'll get a minor blues. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. And then you could, as well do the whole variations of all that. So, for example, you could do the or you can make a wonderful nice, wonderful augmented chord there. So you can add some really fanciness. You can make it a minor 9 chord if you want to. Make it more jazzy. So you can do